How to make a wallpaper with multiple pictures on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down on the screen from the top. You are now in your lock screen. Now, touch and hold the lock screen. Here, tap on the plus icon beside the Customize button below. From here, you can customize or add a new wallpaper. Tap on Photo Shuffle at the top. Then, tap on Choose Photos manually. Select the photos you want from here and then tap on Add. Over here, tap on the three dots as shown. Then, select on Tap. As you can see, you can now tap to preview all the photos you selected as the wallpaper. Once you're done, tap on Add. And then, tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair. Following these steps, you can easily make a wallpaper with multiple pictures on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.